What up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to give you all a quick short review of this DJI M4T that I bought off Drone Deer Recovery. This thing is insane. Okay, so the whole thing comes in this little box. I have yet to put the spotlight on because I haven't done any deer recoveries yet. That'll start soon this fall, late September. There's that. But everything else of this drone fits right in this case. The spotlight would fit as well if I had installed it. Let's crack it open. I got some stickers on the front for you too. I have yet to use this for deer recovery, like I said, but in terms of mapping, this thing has been mapping 3 times faster than my DJI Air 2S drone that I've been using in the past. So you could use this drone for mapping, photography, thermal inspections, and then finally deer recovery, which I'm really excited to give that a shot. But as you can see in this case, got 4 batteries on the side here. One's in the drone. Got the charger. Got the drone itself right here with the gimbal on. Very compact. There's like so many sensors on the front. Super zoom camera, wide angle camera, everything you could possibly need. Got the controller here. This is one of my favorite parts about this drone. The LED screen is super bright and the controls are super intuitive. The ergonomics, the signal that it broadcasts with these antennas is so strong, can go very far. Overall, this thing is incredible. So wish me luck in this next deer season. I will post another video hopefully at some point about how that goes. But until then, I suggest if you want to start your own business or even get into deer recovery, this drone can do it all, guys. Mapping, photography, thermal inspections, deer recovery, you name it. See you around. Peace.